Thank you for coming here today to watch one of our tutorial videos. We will show you here how easy it is to view your commissions. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your @CostMetals dashboard. In the menu items at the top, click on the commissions link, which will take you to your commission page. In this page, you can find information regarding your commissions. You can find general information here in this section. In this section, you will find the current commissions that are accruing if you have any. It will show the source of commission, notes if any, potential commission, the actual commission, and the date the commission occurred. To find out specifics on past commission, you will need to go to the past commissions area and click on any date in this section. The commissions for that date will appear on this page in this area, showing all commissions from that period with the same columns as on the previous page. It will show the source of commission, notes if any, potential commission, the actual commission, and the date the commission occurred. Thank you for watching @CostMetals tutorial series. We are committed to your savings and success.